Hello friends, so once again I'm back with another set, that is practice set number 39 for Indian Army examination. So let's begin this. So यहाँ पे already मैंने कुछ videos, I have uploaded some videos in my previous these things. So you can just check it in my playlist. So let's solve this question. So question number 31 in front of you is x minus 3 upon 3 plus x minus 4 upon 7 is equal to 2x minus 1 upon 5. ये है आपका question. So this type of question can be solved by two ways. Okay, so I'll just write here method number 1 and finally method number 2. If you want, you can use the method number 2, that is by options. That is just by using the options, putting the options and checking LHS is equal to RHS by options. और यहाँ पे आपको करना क्या पड़ेगा, LHS is equal to RHS match हो रहा है क्या नहीं, whether it is getting matched or not, that you have to check. So that we'll see later. Now do it. Let's do it traditionally, basic way से. So यहाँ पे क्या करना है, 7 and 3 का LCM है सर, 7 and 3 का LCM 21 है. So 3 into basically 7 हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. 3 7s are 21. And similarly 7 into which number is 21? 7 3s होता है सर 21. So this thing you have to expand now. So 7 into x 7x minus 7 3s are 21 plus 3x. Okay, I'll just write x like this better. Okay, and minus 4 3s are 12. And finally at RHS side we have 2x minus 1 upon 5. So this data is there. So 7x plus 3x, 7x plus 3x is 10x. ठीक है, 10x. और ये क्या है बाकी आपका 21 and 12 both are negative, 21 31 33 minus 33 हो जाएगा ये. ठीक है, and here at this side what will happen, this 21 will go this side and this 5 will go this side. मैं क्या कर देता हूँ, इस 5 को क्या कर देता हूँ into 5, and at RHS side this 21 is getting multiplied with 2x minus 1. So finally we are getting 21 2s are 42x minus 21 1s are 21, and this side at this right hand side, left hand side, 10 5s are 50x minus 33 5s are, that is nothing but 16 and 5 165. So let's take xx one side, 50x minus 42x. Here this side I will make 50 minus 42 is 8x. What I have done, I've just taken this side and the number 165 this side. So it will become 165 minus 21 at right hand side. So 165 minus 21 is how much? 5 minus 1 4. 16 minus 2 is how much? Again it is 4. So 8x value is equal to 144. X is equal to 8 1s are 8, बच गया आपके पास 6, 8 8s are 64. So x value we are getting, that is nothing but 18. What's asked here? Find the value of x. So x is nothing but 18. That's the answer for this question. And by option method आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, I'll just show directly one option. So this 18 you have to pick. For example, you have taken 15 minus 3 upon 3. Like that similarly by option B 18, देखो ये substitute करेंगे x minus 3 में 18 minus 3 upon, okay, we are doing the method number this thing, 18 minus 3 upon 3 plus 18 minus 4 upon 7 equals 2 into 18. Now what is 2 into 18? So 2 into 18, 18 2s are 36. 18 2s are 36 minus 1 upon 5. Whether this thing is matching LHS is equal to RHS, just check it out. देखो यहाँ पर 18 minus 3, sir 18 minus 3 is 15. And 3 1s are 3, sir 3 5s are 15. Yes, we are getting 5. 18 minus 4 is how much? Sir it is 14. And 7 2s are होता है आपका 14. And here at this right hand side, 36 minus 1 is 35. And 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. You can just check 5 plus 2, sir 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So LHS is equal to RHS. But option number B is matching, so option number B is the answer. By using this method number 2, also you can solve the question. Question number 32. If 2 by 5 quintal of rice costs 180, what will be the cost of 4 by 6 quintal of rice? देखो एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन, आई विल जस्ट आस्क. इफ 2 रुपीज को 4 चॉकलेट्स आते हैं, 4 टॉफीज यू आर गेटिंग. इफ 2 रुपीज को 4 टॉफीज, देन कम ऑन जस्ट टेल मी फॉर 8 रुपीज हाउ मेनी चॉकलेट्स यू विल गेट. अगर 2 रुपए को 4 चॉकलेट मिलते तो 8 को कितने मिलेंगे, ये कैसे करते. चलो सिंपल कर देता हूँ, इससे भी सिंपल. 2 रुपए को 4 चॉकलेट है तो कम ऑन 3 रुपए को कितना चॉकलेट मिलेगा, 3 रुपए को कितना मिलेगा. तो ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन आप ओरली भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो या फिर यूनिटरी से भी सॉल्व होता है। देखो क्या होता है सर, दिस आपको क्या करना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 3 into 4 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are and 3 twos are, sir 6 toffees will be getting for 3 rupees. So same concept you can use here. 2 by 5 quintal, for 2 by 5 quintal 180 rupees is the cost, then therefore 4 upon 6 के लिए होगा कितना कॉस्ट, ये आपको करना है। तो क्या करना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 4 by 6 into 180 divided by 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 5. What you have to basically देखो ये और ये नंबर को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइडेड बाय दैट सिंगल नंबर। नाउ लेट्स कैंसल आउट द नंबर्स। यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 6 1 6, 6 3 6 0, ये हो गया। एंड फाइनली देखो ये क्या क्या हो रहा है, यू कैन कैंसल दिस 2 विद दैट ऑल्सो, बट आई विल जस्ट राइट लाइक दिस, 4 into 30 इज हाउ मच, 4 30s are, so 4 into 30 3 4s are 12, 120 upon 1, and at the denominator we have 2 by 5. If you want you can cancel from here, or else you can just write like this, 120 by 1 into 5 by 2, 2 ones are 2 60s are, and 6 5s are, sir it is 30, 6 5s are 30 and 1 0. So 300 rupees is the answer for this question. 300 rupees is the answer for this question. Let's move to the next. In a class 1/4 students are in Pratap's house, 3/10 are in Rajni's house. So question is about fraction. तो फ्रैक्शन की जब कभी भी क्वेश्चन आते हैं, whenever question of fraction is coming, what you have to remember, see here, given fraction is 1/4 of the students प्रताप के हाउस में है, 3/10 of the students are maybe staying in रजनी's house, एंड यहाँ पे बोला है कौन सा, 3/20 ये शिवाजी's हाउस में है, एंड रिमेनिंग 18 स्टूडेंट्स आर इन चंद्रगुप्ता's हाउस। सो देखो 1/4, 3/10 एंड 320 दिस इज अ फ्रैक्शन, while 18 student it is the actual data. That actual data we just keep it differently, separately, उसको हम अलग से रखेंगे। Find the total number of students in the class. Now these type of question, whenever you are getting a question of fraction, whenever you are getting the fraction का question, so what you do, let's assume the total number of students as something. Now you will say sir 100, no, don't assume 100, okay, you may end somewhere wrong, ठीक है, but here means lengthy हो जाता है क्वेश्चन, wrong तो नहीं होता, lengthy हो जाएगा, x करेंगे तो और भी लेंदी होगा। तो व्हेनेवर फ्रैक्शन के क्वेश्चन आएंगे, टोटल वैल्यू, टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स को आपको क्या एज्यूम करना है, एज्यूम, एक चीज याद रखिए, एज्यूम टोटल एज एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर। सर व्हाट इज एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर, एलसीएम ऑफ 4 10 and 20. So LCM of all these things, when you just calculate, you will be getting 20. So let's assume total value as 20. ठीक है, कितना है सर, ये है 20, टोटल 20 स्टूडेंट्स है। अब मुझे एक चीज बोलिए, इन दिस 20 स्टूडेंट्स 1/4 आर स्टेइंग इन प्रताप्स हाउस, कितना, 1/4 ऑफ 20 स्टूडेंट्स आर इन प्रताप्स हाउस। तो प्रताप के घर में कितने हैं, 1/4 ऑफ 20 का 1/4, ओके, व्हाट इज 1/4 ऑफ 20 स्टूडेंट्स, सर 5 स्टूडेंट्स। 3/10 ऑफ 20, how much it is, so 3/10 of 20, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are, 3 twos are, 6 students are staying here. And what is 3/20 of 20, देखो 20 and 20 is getting cancelled, how much we are getting, 3. What is the total number here we are getting, 5 plus 6, that is 11, 11 plus 3, 14, we are getting 14, but total how much we have assumed, sir total we have assumed 20 already here in Pratap's, then Rajni's, and then Shivaji's house. All together we are getting how much, 11 plus 3, 14 students we are getting, all together we are getting this as 14. How much is left, how much are remaining students, so therefore remaining कितना है सर, remaining होगा 20 minus 14, remaining will be 20 minus 14, that is nothing but 6, remaining will be 6. But what is the student here, remaining students, 18 students are remaining students, but how much we are getting, sir we are getting 6, we are getting 6, examiner is saying 18, so use the unitary method now. 6 represents, if this 6 represent, I'll do it here only, this 6 represents 18 students, ठीक है, 6 represent remaining, 6 represent remaining 18 students. Total number of students is how much, sir, this is the total, sir total 20 is how much, this is now unitary method again. Okay, unitary method can be solved like this also, 6 ones are 6, 6 3s are 18, and 20 into 3, that is nothing but 60 students. 60 students is the answer for this question, option number A. Another method, if you want, you can do that thing. ठीक है, 1 minus this by assuming total value as 1. From that you can just find thing. X से भी कर सकते हो, you can take X from that concept can be done, but this is the best method once you understand it. How many bricks of size 22, 10 and 7 are required to construct a wall of 33 meter long? एक बड़ा सा wall बनना है आपको, ठीक है, big wall you have to make from small bricks, right? You have a small bricks like this, छोटे छोटे ईंटें हैं आपके पास में, and उसका dimension given है, ये है 22 by 10 centimeter by 7 centimeter. Or from this you have to create one big wall you have to construct. Even wall will be something like 3D structure only, ठीक है, ये भी एक 3D structure ही आएगा. देखो हमारे bricks तो 3D थे ही थे, ठीक है, bricks भी हमारे 3D थे, but even the wall will be something like 3D structure, ठीक है. तो ये है आपका 33 meter long, 33 meter, and how much it is? 40 centimeter thick, 40 centimeter thick. And what is the height? Sir, height is 3.5 meter. Now see here the unit is 22 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 7 centimeter, while at this the unit is meters. So let's convert this units to centimeters. 3300 centimeters, 40 centimeter as it is, 3.5 meter will be 350 centimeters. Now you have to tell me, to make that big wall, how many small pieces of those small bricks will be required in this? How many what number of bricks will be used? And one more thing examiner has given, right? If cement and sand are used in the construction, they occupy 1/10 part of the wall. You have to make that wall with the bricks, but 1/10 part you have to use that sand and the cement. That means total 100% will not be total 100% नहीं बनना है, total 100% ईंटें यूज नहीं करनी है. You have to use just the 90% of the bricks. Why 90%? Because here 1/10 of the wall आपको इससे फिल करना है बाय सीमेंट एंड द सैंड. तो रिमेनिंग वॉल कितना है सर? रिमेनिंग मतलब कंस्ट्रक्ट कितना करना है, टू मेक कितना है, टू मेक सर वी हैव टू मेक 9/10. If 1/10 is by sand and this thing cement, then we have to make 9/10. We have to construct just 9/10 by bricks. तो देखो नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक रिक्वायर्ड इस केस में कैसे करना है. Whenever number of something in 3D question is asked, how many number of spheres, how many number of leads, how many number of cylinders can be made. तो एक चीज याद रखिए, number of something, number of bricks, इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, volume of bigger divided by volume of smaller. ये एक सिंपल से फॉर्मूला एक याद रख लीजिए. What is bigger means wall, and what is volume of smaller? Smaller means क्या है, छोटा सर, ईंटें हैं, bricks. So that is the volume of this thing. But my dear friends, volume of bigger, total volume we are not going to fix with this thing. We are just going to make 9/10. So I'll just write, we have to make only 9/10 volume of that big wall. Okay, what is the formula for this thing? So volume of bigger, I mean what is volume of this thing? Sir, volume का formula होता है length into breadth into height, length into breadth into height. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा ये फॉर्मूला आपका, जब आप लिखोगे 9/10 into length is sir 3300, breadth is how much 40 and the height is 350. Upon में क्या आया, volume of smaller, that is nothing but 22 into 10 into 7. Let's cancel out the numbers. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 0s are 0. Then cancel this, 10 1s are 10, 10 5s are 50. हो गया cancel. 22 को किससे 11 से करेंगे, 11 2s are 11 3s are 0s are 0s are. Come on, 2 को कट करना है, 2 1s are 2 and 2 20s are 40. Finally this 10 1s are 10 and this thing 10 2s are 20 got cancel. Let's multiply the numbers. 2 into 5, sir it is 10. Sorry, just next one. Okay, वो 2 5s are 10. 10 into 9, 90, 90 into 3, 27. So finally we are getting something 27,000 as the answer. 27,000, option number A is the answer after multiplying. So 27,000 number of bricks will be required to make this big wall. Okay, the question was little time consuming, but then also you can understand this concept. Other similar easy type of question, if this type of are coming, you can easily solve by using these things. 35th question, number 35 क्या है sir? Question number 35 is length and width of a park are in the ratio 3/1. Okay, we have a park somewhere like this. एंड इसका रेशो गिवन है, दिस इज 3x एंड दिस इज 1x। द पेरीमीटर ऑफ पेरीमीटर इज 320। पेरीमीटर कितना है सर? 320। व्हाट इज पेरीमीटर? सम ऑफ आउटर, ठीक है, इसका पेरीमीटर कितना आ रहा है? 3x, बिकॉज दिस इज 3x देन ऑल्सो अदर साइड विल बी 3x, दिस इज 1x, दिस इज ऑल्सो 1x। पेरीमीटर कितना आ रहा है सर? पेरीमीटर वी आर गेटिंग 3 + 3 6, 6 + 2 that is nothing but 8x। perimeter we are getting 8x, but here perimeter the examiner is saying 320। can I do like this? If 320 is 8x, 320 is 8x, what is the value of x? so x की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 8 4 32, 8 0 0, x is equal to 40। if x is 40, what is this rectangular ground? ये rectangular ground कैसा होगा सर? ये rectangular ground होगा हमारा इस टाइप से। I'll just make big। 3x, what is the value of x? sir 40। 3 into 40, that is nothing but sir 120। okay, the breadth 1x, what is x? sir it is 40। so ये आ गया आपका 40 मीटर और ये हमारा है 120 मीटर। okay, length is 40 and breadth is 40, this we got actual। now path of 2 meter wide runs inside all along the boundary wall। 2 मीटर का पाथ आपको अंदर बनाना है। you have to make a road of 2 meter inside like this, something this road we are making। now we are making 2 meter road, this 2, this is also 2। if this is 2, this is 2, what is the center one, center part? ये कितना जाएगा? देखो from 120, 2 and 2, that is 4 subtract, so we are getting sir 116 meter। so this is the dimension of that inner one। okay, inner whatever garden or whatever you can consider 116। what is this? this is totally 40, ये पूरा 40 है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा सर? ये हो जाएगा हमारा 36। why 36? because 40 minus 2 minus 2, here also 2 is there, here also the road is 2, 2 minus 2 अब 4 totally subtract करेंगे। so finally we got these dimensions। so find the cost of paving the path at rupees 1.5 meter 1.5 पर मीटर स्क्वायर। 1 मीटर स्क्वायर को 1.5, तो टोटल रोड को कितना? टोटल रोड का पैसा निकालने के लिए you need to find area of the road। now how to get the area of the road? area of path, area of path आपको अगर निकालना है तो सिंपल थिंग याद रखिए, इसमें क्या करना है? आउटर एरिया माइनस इनर एरिया, ये जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट। क्या करेंगे? आउटर एरिया माइनस inner area, you just subtract this, you'll be getting the road area। outer area क्या है सर? outer area length into breadth, that is length is this and breadth is 40। 120 into 40, 120 multiplied by 40। what is inner area sir? 116 multiplied by 36, 116 multiplied by 36। so let's see this, 12 4s are 48 and 0 0, and we have to expand this thing, 116 into 36। अरे इसे मल्टीप्लाई करना ही पड़ेगा 36, ठीक है। 6 6 36, 6 1 6 9, 6 1 6 और प्लस में 3 6 18, 3 1 3 4 and 3 1 3, ये हो जाएगा 6 9 8 17, 6 4 10 11 and 4 1 7 6, 4 1 7 6। what's the difference here? 4800 minus this thing 600 और ऊपर का आपका 24 बच गया, 624 राइट, 624 समथिंग बच गया। 10 minus 6 4 and 10 minus 8 2 सही था, and 8 minus 2 is 6, 624 is the right। 624 meter square, this is the area of the path। what is the cost sir? 1.5 per meter square। so total cost will be 1.5 multiplied by 624। so कितना आ जाएगा ये? 624 into ये आ जाएगा इसका आधा, ठीक है। 624 रुपीज़ प्लस 624 का आधा 312, टोटली आ जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 6 3 and 9, 936 रुपीज़। 936 है, यस, ऑप्शन इज देयर। so rupees 936 is the answer for this question। this is the total cost for that road। let's move to the next। थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे बिकॉज आई एम शूटिंग दिस वीडियो एट नाइट 1 o'clock, रात के 9 बजे 1 बजा हुआ है अभी, ठीक है। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट भी मुझे भी सुना है cos 0 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस साइन 90 डिग्री, ठीक है। cos 0 डिग्री क्या है? cos 0 डिग्री बेसिकली होता है सर 1, ठीक है, एंड 1 प्लस 90 साइन 90, ठीक है। साइन 90 इज हाउ मच सर? साइन 90 की वैल्यू होती है 1 इज इक्वल टू एक्स। सो एक्स की वैल्यू यहाँ से आ गई 1/2, ठीक है। 1/1 + 1 मीन्स 1/2। So sin theta is equal to x, find the value of theta. Sin theta is equal to x. ये गिवन है, sin theta is equal to x, find the value of x. ठीक है, देखो sin theta x की वैल्यू कितनी आई हमारे पास, सर x की वैल्यू आ गई है 1/2. Now you just tell me sin of which degree is 1/2. So sin 30 is half. आपको ये चीज़ें याद रखनी चाहिए. आई होप आपको पता है sin 0 is 0, sin 30 degree is 1/2, sin 45 degree is basically 1/√2, and sin 60 degree is √3/2. These all values you have to remember, and sin 90 degree is 1. So sin 30 degree था 1/2. So answer for this question is theta is equal to 30 degree. Option number B. A is to B ratio question. A is to B, sir, 3/4, and then B is to C, 6:5. And from this data you have to tell A is to B plus C will be how much. ये आपको बताना है. Okay, this thing you have to tell. Now see here, whenever this type of question, don't directly substitute A is this much, B is this much, because B is 4, B is 6 over here. From this, first arrange it properly. A is to B is to C. Just combine all these things. So the value will be 3 6 are 18, and 6 4s are 24, and 4 5s are 20. So let's again cancel. 2 9s are, 2 12s are, and 2 10s are. Okay, cancel किया और एक बार इसको 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 9 12 and 10. Let's substitute now. A value is 9 and B plus C कितना आया 12 plus 10. So it is, we are getting, sorry, this is this thing, I mean ये है plus, plus नहीं है, ये आपका था eraser क्यों नहीं वर्क कर रहा. Eraser is here, just a minute. Yeah, eraser वर्क हो गया. 9 is to 12 plus 10 is 22. 9 is to 22. Option number A is the answer for this question. 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A will be how much? 9 sec square theta minus 9 tan square theta. You can take theta or else you can take A, whatever. So 9 is common here. देखो sec square minus tan square theta, ये बीच में बच जाएगा sec square theta minus tan square theta. And you remember one thing, sec square theta minus tan square theta होता है 1. तो answer for this question will be 9. Answer होगा इसका 9. 39th, a plus b the whole square minus a square minus b square. देखो a plus b the whole square क्या होता है, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This will be there. And apart from that we have extra minus a square minus b square. This a square and a square gets cancelled, b square cancel. Finally left is 2ab. Option number D is the answer. Find the area of a circle whose diameter is 5 centimeter. Diameter 5 centimeter है, diameter is 5 centimeter. Up, therefore radius will be how much? 2.5 centimeter. If radius is 2.5 centimeter, आपको बताना है कि what is the area. Area of the circle, area होता है pi r square. Formula is pi r square. So pi value is 22/7, while radius is 2.5. 2.5 can be written as 25/10 into 25/10. Or else choice is yours. ठीक है, कैसे भी लिख सकते हो. 2.5 is nothing but I have written in decimal, this like this fraction 25/10. Let's cancel. कुछ कैंसिल होता है नहीं, कैंसिल होने जैसा वैसा कुछ है भी नहीं इसमें. चलो एक्सपांड ही करेंगे पूरा. 25 625 को आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 22 से. अच्छा एक काम करेंगे, कटिंग ही करेंगे बेटर, क्योंकि बहुत लेंदी हो रहा है मल्टीप्लिकेशन. लेट्स कैंसिल आउट बेटर सम नंबर्स, देखेंगे कुछ कैंसिल होके आता है. 5 2s are 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 5 5s are 25, and then cancel with 2, one more, 2 1s are 2 11s are. Okay, थोड़ा तो ये हो गया, इजी हो गया. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 11, 5 into 5 25, 25 into 11. देखो 5 5s are 25 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 11 बच गया और नीचे आ गया 7 2s are 14 आ गया. तो 25 into 11 ये जब आप सॉल्व करोगे तो कितना मिलेगा? 275/14. एंड लेट्स कैंसल आउट दिस नंबर्स. 14 1s are 14, 14 1s are 14, कितना बच गया आपका? 13 बच गया था. 14 8 9s are 126 बच गया था. 9 पॉइंट लगाया 0, 19 पॉइंट समथिंग. यस, एक ही ऑप्शन दिखाई दे रहा है 19.64. यही आएगा. सॉल्व करने की पूरी जरूरत नहीं है. वंस यू गेट समथिंग 19 पॉइंट समथिंग, जस्ट चेक आउट द ऑप्शन एंड टिक इट. 19.64, दैट्स द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 729, डायरेक्टली स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 729 कहाँ पे गया हमारा आंसर? ये है आपका 27. ऑप्शन नंबर दिस थिंग. 3 9 27 81. देखो 3 9 27 एंड 81. 3, तो नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या होगा? तो तो 3, दिस इज बेसिकली नंबर सीरीज। नंबर सीरीज में यहाँ पे आपको डिटेक्ट करना है। देखो फर्स्ट नंबर इज 3 ओनली, और एल्स ईच एंड एवरी नंबर इज गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3। देखो 3 3 9, 9 3 27, सर 27 3 81। तो यहाँ पे भी क्या करना है, 81 3 सर होता है 243। ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, आंसर इज 1। नाउ दिस सिंपल थिंग है, 44th आप खुद से सॉल्व करो। 45th, इफ अ काउ इज टाइड विद अ रोप ऑफ 14 मीटर, हाउ मच एरिया इट विल ग्रेस। ठीक है, एक काऊ को हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे बांध दिया है। अब इस काऊ को इस रस्सी से यहाँ पे, दिस इज सम काऊ, ठीक है, यहाँ पे इस काऊ को हमने बांध दिया है, समथिंग लाइक दिस, आई एम मेकिंग सम काऊ। ठीक है, दिस काऊ वी हैव टाइड विद द रोप ऑफ 14 मीटर। क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इज हाउ मच एरिया कैन इट ग्रेस। नाउ देखो दिस काऊ कैन गो like this circle way also, like this it can go somewhere. So basically the cow can make a circle, so that much area it can eat that grass, it can graze that grass. So 14 meter is basically radius and entire this thing area it can graze. So आपको area find करना था, तो area of this circle find करोगे तो वही आपका होगा आंसर। area of a circle होता है pi r square, that is nothing but pi r square, 14 into 14 meter, right? 14 meter. Let's cancel this number, 7 1 7, 7 2 14, and finally क्या हो जाएगा आपका 22 2 ये मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ 44, 44 into 14, 14 4 56, 14 4 56, 56 plus 5, 56 plus 5 61 आएगा, sorry 61, 616 meter square. That's the answer for this question. With this, even this set के सारे 15 questions solve हो गए। Let's wait for the next. Till then, bye bye, see you, thank you, and just make sure your exams are starting, start your preparation, and all the best. See you.